This phone has a 4.32 GHz Snapdragon chip, 1 TB of storage, and charges crazy fast with 80-watt power. And yet it costs way less than most flagships in 2025. But is the OnePlus 13T really worth it, or is it just another overhyped upgrade? Today, we're looking at the OnePlus 13T, a compact powerhouse with a killer display, flagship camera system, and a battery that refuses to quit. If you're thinking about upgrading, this one might just surprise you. OnePlus just dropped the 13T, and it's not playing around. This one's built for people who want raw power, clean design, and fast everything, without the noise. No extra drama, just performance where it matters. The first thing you'll notice is the size. It's compact compared to most flagships today, but still packs a 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED display. And this screen isn't just sharp, it's smart. You get 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and some of the best color accuracy you can ask for. Peak brightness, 1600 nits. That means no more squinting outdoors. Now let's talk performance. Snapdragon 8 Elite with a 3nm chipset. This thing is an absolute beast. Clock speeds go all the way up to 4.32 GHz, paired with 12 or 16 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. It opens apps in a blink, switches between games and socials like nothing, and runs cool while doing it. If speed matters to you, you're going to feel the difference here. And battery life? OnePlus didn't hold back. You get a 6,260 mAh cell inside this slim frame, with 80-watt fast charging that tops it off super quick. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, this battery can comfortably carry you from morning to midnight. No wireless charging though, but with this speed, most people won't miss it. The camera setup is clean and solid. Two 50-megapixel sensors, one main with OIS, and another telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. Shots come out crisp, balanced, and sharp. The HDR works great in tough lighting, and low-light photos don't get muddy. Video quality is flagship level too, with 4K at 60 frames per second and Dolby Vision support. On the front, the 16-megapixel selfie cam delivers natural skin tones and clean edges, especially during daylight. And if you love audio, you'll be happy. Stereo speakers sound full and rich. No headphone jack, but Bluetooth 5.4 with aptX HD and LHDC5 gives you plenty of wireless options. And yes, Circle to Search is built in for those who love quick interactions and smart tools. Connectivity-wise, it covers everything: 5G, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, infrared port, dual SIM plus eSIM, and even advanced GPS positioning. It's ready for whatever your setup is. No micro SD slot, but with up to 1 TB storage on board, that's rarely a concern. The build feels premium. Glass front, aluminum alloy frame, and it's IP65 rated, so it's safe from dust and water splashes. Comes in black, gray, and even pink for those who like a color pop. At a price of around 410 euros, the OnePlus 13T isn't trying to compete with overhyped flagships. It's trying to outlast them. You get a clean, fast phone with serious muscle, solid cameras, and a battery that's hard to beat, all in a surprisingly sleek size. If you're someone who wants a premium phone without the extra fluff, this might just be the smartest buy right now. So, what do you think? Power-packed or just another refresh? Let me know in the comments.